Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SAEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I think this is now my 3rd day in a row doing it. Did one Wednesday, Thursday, and then today, Friday, and was not planning on doing one. In fact, essentially nothing was occurring. I mean, you look down here at the volume, and basically all day, nothing, and then this afternoon showed up, and the volume showed up, and the price reacted very nicely with it. And that was, this is what brings about the logical question here. That question being the fact that, yeah, there's no doubt about it, the price had a very big breakout during the final portion of the day, which leads to the question of, okay, is this the start of something bigger? Is this a true breakout? Is there genuine power? Or, what's going on with the status of this breakout? Well, that's where our first update needs to be made. Let me just get rid of that line there. It's kind of served its purpose for now. But the first update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why so much? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength. So if a breakout is actually a true breakout, well, the price is going to keep on breaking out, right? It's going to get continuation. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Yes, if a breakout is truly a breakout, it's not going to go back to where it was because that'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about this 470 area. If the price were to break below there, or worse yet, separate to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? It would literally be putting it right back inside of that range where it was before the breakout occurred. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price does something like this where it pulls back, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. You'd have that one right there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps that are continuing to make progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what it's all about, progress forward. And in this situation, I am just quantifying that phrase progress as 470. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing complicated here. The party stopped at $6.10. So 610 will be public enemy number 1 going into next week. But yeah, no doubt about it. Huge breakout to close out the day, close out the week. And now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.